How to stake Eno tokens. To stake Eno tokens, first you need a MetaMask wallet installed on your device with the Arbitrum One network and Eno token added, some Arbitrum Eno tokens, a small amount of ETH on the Arbitrum network in your MetaMask to cover the gas fees. Steps to stake Eno tokens. Step 1. Open MetaMask. Open your MetaMask app and be sure to be connected to the Arbitrum One network. Step 2. Navigate to the MetaMask browser. Click on the icon that directs you to the MetaMask browser. Step 3. Visit the Eno page. In the MetaMask browser, enter the address staking.enotoken.io to access the Eno website. Step 4. Connect your wallet. On the Eno website, click the Connect Wallet button. Step 5. Go to the Stake option. On your staking dashboard, click the Stake button. Step 6. Select the amount to stake. Populate the proper field with the quantity of Eno tokens you want to stake, and click Confirm Stake. Step 7. Set your limit. MetaMask always asks to set a limit of tokens to be expended. Write any quantity you feel comfortable with, and click Next. Then, click the button Approve. Step 8. Confirm the transaction. In the next screen shown, click Confirm. Congratulations! Your staking must be seen in the dashboard. Just let it stand there for whatever time you want, and see the rewards grow. Step 9. Manage your rewards. Whenever you have accrued some rewards, you can do several things. You can just click the Withdraw button and the rewards will be directly sent to your MetaMask. The originally staked Eno tokens will remain staked. Step 10. Compound your rewards. A very convenient thing to do is to stake your rewards along with your initial capital, so they will cause a faster inflow of rewards for you. That's called compound interest. To have such earnings, click the Compound button. Your rewards now are added to your stakings. Your staking dashboard will show your rewards staked along with the initial capital, so rewards accrue faster in the future. Step 11. Unstaking your Eno tokens. To take your Eno tokens back to your MetaMask, click the Unstake button. Your staking dashboard will now show that your Enos are back to your MetaMask. Congratulations on staking your Eno tokens. Now spread the word and invite others to join. Don't forget to stake your rewards back for even greater growth. Let's build a stronger Eno community together.